उच्यते पूर्णात् पूर्णस्य आदाय पूर्णात् पूर्णस्य विशेषः ओम शांति शांति शांति. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Well, myself Dr. Khalid. I am working as a Chief Coordinator Avishkara Center Research Laboratory. So welcome to BMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. So 16th February 2022, the minimum standards of education has been changed. The new game changer minimum standards has been changed. Have you seen that? The game changer, this syllabus, minimum standards of education has been changed. This minimum standards of education is a game changer. So 2022 on 16th February, this minimum education standards has been changed. So before going into the Ayurveda, so we'll go through the minimum standards of education which has been changed in 2022 for your senior batch. This syllabus is a totally game changer. The 3 milestones which has been added in your minimum standards of education. The first milestone number 1, they have added something called a non-lecture hour. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Lecture hour and non-lecture hour. Very beautifully they have framed that. Magnificent approach, dynamic approach. See, the minimum standards of education, the milestone number 1, they have added something called a non-lecture hour. In non-lecture hour, they have tried to integrate with modern science and allied science. Here, so here totally the approach is integrative approach. So for example, so in Ayurveda, there is a dravya is there, guna is there, karma is there. So this guna, they have tried to compare with physics, karma, physics. So wherever possible, you try to correlate. Totally they applied interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary approach. This is an era of integrative approach. Is it clear? See, second milestone number 2, they have added something called as electives. Electives is totally multidisciplinary approach. Is it clear? So where we can go beyond the box and we can think it something different. So in electives, is it clear? They have added syllabus like pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical chemistry is there, ISM is there, architecture is there, even cardiology is there, and even this sports medicine is there. Totally multidisciplinary approach. That's a milestone number 2. Milestone number 3, the minimum standards of education has been changed. There is a TC, transitional curriculum. The first time transitional curriculum has been done in the Osmania University, Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. They did a pilot study. Same they did in the Sri Ramachandra Medical College, Chennai. Same again inspired in Ayurveda, and they have installed this. They have adopted this transitional curriculum. So as soon as you will enter into the transitional, so you are from the diverse background. So just now you have completed the PUC. You came into the Ayurveda. Transition from one background to other background, you need some backup. So keeping this thing, they have added something called as transitional curriculum. I think you are in the transitional curriculum. This transitional curriculum is based on the SAGE criteria. Total 90 hours they have given. This is not 90 hours given. So socializing, association, know the campus. Is it clear? You should know how many faculties are there, how many departments are there. Experience, see, all the day so many resource persons they are coming and they are sharing their experience. Governance, for governance also they are totally 90 hours they have added. See, what I mean to tell that this minimum education standards which has been changed in the 16th February 2022 is a game changer syllabus. The scope of Ayurveda has been increased. Is it clear? The scope is very vast now for Ayurvedic aspirants. Is it clear? So when the scope will increase, what happens? Job will increase. Is it not? So many people will tell that there is no scope and there is no job for Ayurvedic people. It is not like that. When scope is increased, because totally their approach is multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary, what we are seeing. Even in the non-lecture hour, they have, see, even in the non-lecture hour, try to compare with modern physics theorems, chemistry theorems. Like the syllabus is there, wherever it is possible, we have to try to approach. So that's why to entertain the multidisciplinary approach, they have added the electives. So when scope is increased, ultimately what happens? The job opportunity will increase. Is it not? Hey, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, see, if you complete the BMS, after that you can become the good practitioner. Not only practitioner, you can become a good researcher. Not only researcher, you can become good manufacturing, you can start good manufacturing practice also. You can start your own pharmacy also. Not only pharmacy, even you can go into the administrative section also. Is it clear? So like this, the scope is increased here. Is it clear? So this minimum standards of education, they use one word, something called as quantum mechanics. Have you seen that in first year? How many syllabus are there? Okay. Padartha Vijnana is there, Samhita is there, Sharira Rachana is there, and Kriya Sharira is there. Samskrita is there. Yeah. So for Padartha Vijnana, they use one word called as, have you seen that? Padartha Vijnana, fundamental principles of Ayurveda and quantum mechanics. They use something word called quantum mechanics. Why they use this word quantum mechanics? What is the logic behind it? G. Krishnan, he has been told that he has been criticized. So NCISM should withdraw the word and he should not use the word called as quantum mechanics. Straightforwardly he has been told that. Why you are using the quantum mechanics word? Is it clear? See, I will show you the statement. Okay. Is it clear? They use the word called quantum mechanics. See, government has been criticized that linking Ayurveda with quantum mechanics. Ayurveda is something different. What is the quantum mechanics? Why you are linking Ayurveda with quantum mechanics? What do you mean by quantum mechanics? Why these quantum mechanics people, the forefathers of quantum mechanics, they are running behind the Ayurveda. They are running behind the philosophy. What is the logic? Okay. See, this fellow has been told that instead of using the word quantum mechanics, if you could have been used fundamental principles of Ayurveda in relation to their roots in the Indian philosophy, that will be the right word. But NCISM, it has been not withdrawn this word and they are kept as it is. Basic principles of Ayurveda and quantum mechanics. Is it clear? Now we will try to understand what exactly this quantum mechanics. Why they have tried to correlate Padartha Vijnana with quantum mechanics. Is not. So what exactly quantum mechanics means? Do you have any idea? Hey, yes or no? Hello? What is mean by quantum mechanics? Matter is not a matter. Matter is made up of energy. Simple. Energy is a consciousness. Universe is a consciousness. Quantum mechanics. Simple. Very simple. This is exactly quantum mechanics. So now we'll try to understand what exactly this quantum mechanics, why these forefathers, Schrödinger, Heisenberg, okay, they are running behind the philosophy. Why they are coming to India? Why they are reading our philosophy? What is that? What exactly the metaphysics? We'll try to understand it. Do you have any idea? What is this quantum mechanics? Have you heard regarding quantum mechanics? Quantum physics? Where you read it? Yes? Where? In physics? You read that? Yes. So what is the chapter number? In physics, it is in the second year. What is the chapter number? Dual nature of Eureka. Huh? Yes, right. Is it clear? So we'll try to understand what exactly it is. Is it clear? But even the government has been criticized that you should not use the word called as quantum mechanics. But Ayurveda is standing with, they are using the word called quantum mechanics. That's what I told. The minimum standards of education has been changed. It's the interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary approach. So when we use this allied science, what happens? The scope of Ayurveda will increase. When the scope will increase, the job opportunity will increase. So that's why this is the Amrita Yuga of Ayurveda. That's what I told. This is a game changer syllabus. In coming 8 years, the impact of Ayurveda will be changed. The vision of Ayurveda is very vast. You are very lucky. You are very lucky. Okay. So we'll try to understand it. Okay. We'll try to see what exactly it is. Okay. That's nice. So even I think last 2 months back. Okay. Who is the chairman of ISRO? K. Somanathan. K. Somanathan sir has been visited the Haridwar University, Patanjali for the convocation. He has been claimed that in his Twitter, okay, and it has become a trend also, and it has become viral also. So he has been claimed that India was a knowledge society since Vedic time, involving maths, medicine, metaphysics, astronomy, which is written in the Sanskrit. Later this Arabs, they taken all up to the East India. Then again the ISRO has been taken it back. Like this he has been claimed. So he told that India is a roots for, okay, where the system like algebra, the physics, quantum mechanics, metaphysics has been originated. Then the Arab travelers, they have taken it to East India, and again the ISRO has been taken it back. Like this he has been claimed. It's exactly this what happened with this. Is it clear? This what happened. So we'll try to understand it. Okay. See, now quantum mechanics and Ayurveda. So even Einstein has been told that religion without science is a blind. Science without religion is a lame. What is this exactly? Religion, philosophy, metaphysics, and quantum physics. Okay, we will see. We will try to understand this concept. Okay, yes. See, if you see the 17th century, so we'll come from 17th century, then again we'll go back to the 3rd century BC, like this. Okay, so in 17th century, what happened? Okay, at that time, they are told that this light is a particle. Here, Newton corpuscular theory. Newton was the king at that time in 17th century. So the physics has been divided into 2 types. One is classical physics and one is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics has been came into the 20th century. Before that there was no quantum mechanics. Is it clear? In 17th century, this classical physics will address regarding the motion, speed, velocity. Is it clear? So quantum physics was leading the world. Okay, Newton was leading the world. Isaac Newton. Is it clear? Newton has been told that what you know that is drop, what you don't know that is the ocean. Is it clear? See, in 17th century, Newton has been said that light is a particle. Here, light is a particle. But, is it clear? In group B people, they told that light is not a particle, light is a wave. The Dutch physicists Christian Huygens and Robert Hooke, they tell that light is not a particle, light is a wave. Group A people is telling, confused Atma. What is this? Group A people is telling that light is a particle. Group B people telling that light is a wave. Okay. So then what happened? See, in 19th century, okay, Thomas Saint, he came with the double slit experiment. He proved that light is a wave, light is not a particle. Clear now? I think you read this in physics.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So here we will try to correlate what is this, we will try to understand what is this quantum physics, then what is this metaphysics, and what is this Ayurveda. Is it clear? We will try to understand it. Okay, so then what happened in 19th century? Okay, when the Christian Huygens has been told that light is a wave. Okay, so light is a wave, even that has been proved by the Thomas Young double slit experiment. Through the Thomas Young double slit experiment, constructive interference and destructive interference, with this theorem it has been proved that light is a wave only. Light is not a particle. That's it, full stop. Newton theory wrong. Newton has been said that light is a particle. This fellow is telling light is a wave. He has been proved with the help of the constructive interference and destructive interference. Then again in 20th century, Einstein E is equal to mc square. Einstein came and Einstein has been proved with the photoelectric effect experiment. He has been proved that light is not a wave, light is a particle. Something strange. Bulbulaya. Ajib sa, pechida sa. One is telling light is a wave, one is telling light is a particle. Again Einstein, photoelectric effect, he has been proved with the help of the photoelectric effect, light is a particle. Okay, so when, is it clear? Again this is, Arthur Captain's scattering experiment has been given strength to the Einstein theorem, Einstein experiment. So he has been told that atoms will scatter, atoms will spin. So he has been given support to the Einstein particle theory. So now the Einstein is the king. Is it clear? Einstein, because Einstein has been claimed that light is a particle. Okay. See, group A people telling that, so this is a white shirt. Okay. See, group A people telling that this is a white shirt. This is a white shirt, but group B people telling this is a black shirt. Have you got my point? See, one group people is telling that light is a particle. Another group people is telling that light is a wave. Which group we have to follow? Huh? Which group we have to follow? So we need one tiebreaker. Okay? Is it clear? See, then what happened? See, then see, Louis de Broglie, he has been did the hypothesis that, okay, so when the light is showing dual nature, matter will be showing dual nature. This was the hypothesis done by the Broglie. When the light is showing dual nature, see, light is showing dual nature. Light is acting as a wave and light is acting as a particle. When light is showing dual nature, why cannot matter? Why cannot universe? All the electron, proton, they will also show the dual nature, duality. They will also show the dual nature. So like this, he has been did the hypothesis. This hypothesis has been proved by. So now they have tried. Now we have to understand what exactly the matter is. Is it clear? When light is showing dual nature, why cannot matter will show the dual nature? Is it clear? Now all they are running behind the matter. Okay. See, this fellow, Davison German experiment has been proved that wave nature of the electrons. Wave nature of the electrons. Then what happened? See, something confusion. I told that. See, some physics they are telling that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, light is a wave. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, light is a particle. So what about Sunday? Sunday whether light is a particle or wave? So like this it has been published. Okay. So now we will try to understand what is this quantum mechanics. Okay. So quantum mechanics means, so matter is not a matter. Matter is made up of energy. Energy is consciousness. That is quantum mechanics. See, when light is showing the dual in nature, all the people they are tried, when the Broglie has been did the hypothesis, and the light is having dual nature, their matter will also show the dual nature. Then the forefathers of the quantum physics, Schrödinger, Heisenberg, and Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr is the mentor of Heisenberg. Okay. Yes, so they did the double slit experiment. So I hope you all know the double slit experiment. I don't go very deep in the double slit experiment. Okay. Is it clear? They use the detector in the double slit experiment. When they use this detector, light will act as a wave. When they remove this detector, light will act as a particle. This was a double slit experiment. So that's why when they land up in this confusion, okay, so they did one interpretation, okay, they did one interpretation and they came up with something called as, and they told that universe is a consciousness. Quantum physics, they have started answer, they have tried to search the answer in the philosophy. This universe is a consciousness. See, quantum mechanics, is it clear? See, then what happened? They have started searching what exactly this matter. What is the nature of this matter? What is the nature of light? They won't got the answer in this quantum mechanics. Then these forefathers of the quantum mechanics, they started answer. They started trying to get the answer. They started searching the answer. Then what happened? This Heisenberg came to India and he met the Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. Who is Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. So he got the Nobel Literature. Okay. He is the author of the Gitanjali. Okay. So then he read that, see, all the same statement in the ancient philosophy rather near to the modern science. When he read and when the Tagore has been taught the Vedanta, is it clear? Heisenberg has been claimed that all the modern science, all the ancient philosophy are near to the modern science. Is it clear? So even even the Schrödinger also he has been written the textbook. He has been written the textbook called as My View of the World. In the My View of the World, even Schrödinger has been told that he got the answer in the Vedanta. He got the answer in the Vedanta. So even he has been claimed that, okay. Is it clear? So he claimed that, so in Veda it has been told that this universe is made up of mind. That is illusion. So when light is showing dual nature, matter will also show the dual nature. Is it clear? When matter is showing dual nature, they tried to understand what exactly how this matter is showing dual nature. They got the answer in the Indian philosophy, that is in the Vedanta. So Vedanta talks about this universe is made up of Maya, that is the illusion. Is it clear? Ayurveda talks about the Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya. Is it clear? There are so many similarities are there. We will try to understand what exactly this quantum mechanics and Ayurveda. Is it clear? See, here they have proved that dual nature of the universal characteristics and the life of the universe also. Universe is also showing the dual nature. Not only light, even universe also showing the dual nature. Matter is also showing the dual nature. Is it clear? See, we found these similarities of quantum mechanics in our Ayurveda and in our Darshana. Darshana means what? Drishyate anena iti darshana. Drishyate anena drishyate iti. One is karana, another one is bhava. Seeing the things as it is and trying to understand what exactly we are. Know thyself, that is darshana. Jnana chakshu. To identify the karana and bhava. So what happened long years ago? They used to try to understand how this universe came into the existence. From where this human being has been came into the existence. There is a song was there. There is a song is there in Doordarshan. सृष्टि से पहले क्या था? सृष्टि का कौन है करता? सत था या असत था? छिपा था क्या? Like this, there is a song is there. So what happened? These darshanas, they used to try to understand how this universe has been created. How this human being came into the universe. Before human beings, what is that? There was one Big Bang was there. Big Bang theory. Is it clear? See, darshana, drishyate anena iti. One is karana and one is bhava. Okay. In darshana, is it clear? See, there are so many similarities are there. Darshana in the quantum mechanics. So, is it clear? So metaphysics. So I will simplify this concept. Okay, I will simplify this concept. See here, modern they use word it as a theory. Theory means to view. Darshana means to view, to see. Both are similar. Similarities are there. We try to see similarities. So in modern theory, gravity theory is there, motion theory is there, evolution theory is there. Relativity theory has been coined by Einstein. Okay, gravity has been coined by Newton. Newton has been coined the gravity theory. That's why they have kept it as a Newton theory. Theory exactly means to view or to see. Darshana means also very same, to see or to view. Is it clear? See, these darshanas are divided into, say again in Ayurveda we have Nastika Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana, Sankhya Darshana, Purva Mimamsa Darshana. Like this there are types of darshanas are there. See, these darshanas are divided into three types. Darshana means to see, seeing the things as it is. Is it clear? So darshana means seeing the things as there are three types of darshanas are there. One is Astika Darshana, another one is Nastika Darshana. Astika Darshana means Asti, ide. Those who believe in Vedas, we will call it as Astika Darshana. Those who don't believe in Vedas, we will call it as Nastika Darshana. Hope you got the point. Those who believe in Vedas, we will call it as Astika Darshana. Those who don't believe in Vedas, we will call it as a Nastika Darshana. Astika Nastika Darshana, they believe in God, but they don't believe in Vedas. Very simple. Is it clear? सृष्टि से पहले क्या था? सृष्टि का कौन है करता? सत था या असत था? कोई मतलब मट्टे मतलब. These darshanas, they used to try to understand, know thyself, to see why this universe came into the existence, how this universe came into the existence. When they told that light is a dual in nature, matter may be dual in nature, universe will also show the dual nature. Then they started thinking. So long years ago in Ayurveda, darshanas are there. Is it clear? So there are two types of darshana. One is astika and one is nastika. Is it clear? So now we will try to understand the metaphysics of all these darshana. Metaphysics means ultimate truth, अंतिम सत्य. अंतिम सत्य क्या है? सत था या असत था? Confusing? Is it clear? So don't confuse. I will justify it. Okay. This is not complex theory. Okay, and this is not rocket science also. Okay. So we will try to see the similarities. Why they use the word called as quantum mechanics? What are the similarities are there? We'll try to understand it. Is it clear? See, yes. So now we try to understand the metaphysics of these darshanas. Is it clear? Astika darshana, nastika darshana, astika, nastika darshana. Okay. Is it clear? So to understand any theory, to understand the metaphysics of any theory, so this is the what anatomy, this is the structure of the what metaphysics. Any theory, if you want to read any theory, whatever it may be modern theory or it may be any theory, first you try to understand their number and their nature. Is it clear? Try to understand, so this is the anatomy, this is the structural framework of the metaphysics. First try to understand the number. Again these numbers, plural, dualistic and monism. Pluralism means what? They will believe in so many theories. They will believe in so many theories. They will tell that the universe has been made up of Atma. The universe has been made up of Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik. That is a pluralism. Really? Dualistic. Two things. This universe is made up of matter and consciousness. Matter means what? That which is jada. For example, iron, metal, all these are matter. Consciousness, soul, dualism. We have to try to understand their theory, whether they believe in the pluralism or in the dualism. Or mono, eka. See, for example, there is a Veda called as Vedanta Darshana. They believe only in Brahma. They believe only in Brahma. A Srushti ka karta sirf Brahma hai. Is it clear? So we have to try to understand whether the pluralism, whether they believe, whatever, any theory if we read today onwards, this is the structural framework, this is the anatomy. Whether they will believe in the pluralism, whether they will believe in the dualism, or whether they will believe in the monism. Clear? So then second point, we have to try to understand their nature. Whether they will believe in matter. What is matter? Matter means which is jada. Matter, iron, all these are matter. Whether they will believe in the consciousness. So, what is quantum mechanics? Matter is not a matter, matter is made up of energy. Energy is a consciousness. Whether they will believe in consciousness, or whether they will believe in matter, okay, or whether they will believe in the dualism. Dualism, I told that, okay, dualism. Whether they will believe in matter or whether in the consciousness, whether they will believe in matter. Okay, then neutral. They won't believe in anything. Neither they believe in the pluralism, neither they will believe in the dualism, neither they will believe in the monism. They are neutral peoples. Clear? So I will simplify this. Okay, so if you want to understand any philosophy, again this is the structural framework. Okay, again this is the structural framework. First, try to understand their epistemology. Epistemology means study of wisdom. We will call it as a Pramana Shastra. Qualitative, it's a qualitative type of research. Qualitative. Qualitative means what? The things, the emotions, the feelings which we cannot measure, which is based on the attributes. We have to try to understand their epistemology. Then we have to try to understand the metaphysics. Metaphysics means whether that theory will believe in the consciousness, cosmos, consciousness, whether they will believe in soul, whether they will believe in God. You have to try to understand. So this is the what? Skeleton to understand the philosophy. Is it clear? कौन सा भी theory हो, it may be any theory. What we have to do? We have to understand whether they will Brahmanda, consciousness, or God with Ishwar. Whether they will believe in cosmos, whether they will believe in the soul, or whether they will believe in the God, and what are their ethics. These three things we have to understand. So this is the what anatomy to understand the philosophy. Yes. See, Darshana, I have told that. Okay, the difference between Darshanika and scientists. Okay, see, this spider web is there. Is it not? This is a spider web. So this is what? Honeybee. So what this honeybee will do? This honeybee will go into some flowers and it will collect the nectar. Clear? The honeybee will go and sit in the beautiful flower and it will collect the nectar. And it will bring the nectar and it will create the honey. Here what happened? Something is ready, is available. Is it clear? Something is there available. It will go and sit somewhere in the flower and it will bring the nectar and it will create the honey. Scientists will work like this. Scientists will work on the empirical statements. Is it clear? This process is empirical. Okay, evidence is there. But coming to here, spider, what happened? This spider will create the web. This is the difference between honeybee and spider. What happened here? Honey will bring the nectar and it will create. See, nectar is available somewhere and it will bring and it will do the process. Clear? It will do the process and it will create the honeybee. This is empirical statement. Empirical, scientifically. Scientists will work like this. Whatever they will prepare scientifically, they will prove. But here what happened? Nothing is there. Spider will create web. Hope you got the point. Darshanikas are like this spider web. They don't know whether this universe is created with the help of Sat or Asat. We don't know. They will go in search of the knowledge. They will use their own thought process. Is it clear? They will use their own thought process and they will try to understand who exactly, who is this human being, from where this human being has been came. They will try to understand this universe. This was happened. This was the difference between Darshanika and scientists. Okay. So now we will try to see the process. See, the first we will try. See, as already I have told that there are two types of theories are there. Darshana. One is Astika Darshana and one is Nastika Darshana. Astika Darshana means what? Asti, Ire. Those who believe in Vedas we will call it as a Astika Darshana. Those who don't believe in Vedas we will call it as a Nastika Darshana. Astika Nastika Darshana means what? They believe in God but they don't believe in Veda. Is it clear? See, this Astika Darshanas has been divided into Shat Darshanas. 6 types of Astika Darshanas are there. One is Sankhya Darshana and one is Yoga Darshana. Nyaya Darshana and one is Vaisheshika Darshana. Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa Darshana. See, this Sankhya Darshana and Yoga Darshana. See, Sankhya means number. Sankhya means knowledge. Sankhya Darshana will work on Buddhi Tattva. Yeah. Their theory, they believed in what? Spiritual. They believed in spiritually. Sankhya theory will work on what? Buddhi. See, with the help of the Buddhi, they tried to understand what is this universe. They said that this universe has been created with the help of two things. One is Prakriti, another one is what? Purusha. Is it clear? Prakriti plus Purusha. Prakriti is Jada, it is a matter. Purusha is a consciousness. Sankhya will talk about the dualism. Hope you got the point. Same, light is a wave and particle. Dualistic. Sankhya theory believed in dualism. Is it clear? Sankhya talks about Purusha and Prakriti. This Prakriti, there are Chaturvimshati Rashi Purusha. Chaturvimshati Purushas are there. Say from Avyakta to Mahat to Ahankara. So I don't go very deep into that. Is it clear? So Sankhya will talk about what? Prakriti and Purusha. This Prakriti is what? It's a matter, it's a Jada. Okay, only matter only will don't lead to life. That's why we need some consciousness. Prakriti and Purusha, when both they will come together, that they will call it as a life source. Like this the Sankhya will talk. Sankhya believe in dualism. The epistemology, I have told that this is the what framework of the Sankhya Darshana. Okay, so any theory if you read that, try to understand the metaphysics. Metaphysics, Antim Sat. Is it clear? See, Sankhya believed in epistemology like Pratyaksha, Anumana and Shabda. Sankhya worked on Buddhi Tattva. See, Sankhya theory is a very oldest theory. Very oldest theory. Sankhya came in the 6th century BC only. Okay, it's a very oldest theory. Totally they believed in spirituality. Okay, it is based on knowledge only. So there is no any logic. Is it clear? There is no any logic. Okay, so they believed in Pratyaksha, Anumana and Shabda. Okay, the metaphysics of Sankhya is they believed in dualistic. This universe is made up of what? Prakriti means matter and Purusha means what? Consciousness. When this Prakriti and Purusha will coincide, this universe will come. Is it clear? So like this they are told. Okay, this is the Sankhya will believe in the dualism. So that's why the people, the quantum mechanics people, they have started searching the answer in the Vedanta. See, then again their ethics, we have to try to understand. Their ethics also. Okay, see, even Yoga Darshana also. So Sankhya Darshana is totally, it's a theoretical. Sankhya Darshana is what? It is totally theoretical. Okay, see, from Avyakta to Mahat to Ahankara. So this you will read in your syllabus. So I don't go very deep into the syllabus. So I will show you the hierarchy. That's it. How to read, so what exactly this quantum mechanics and Ayurveda, how we have to correlate it. Is it clear? See, even Sankhya they believed in matter and consciousness. Is it clear? So yoga is to achieve Sankhya is not totally theoretical. To achieve that we need yoga darshana. Is it clear? To pursue all this yoga darshana. Yoga, Sankhya darshana can be, Sankhya is totally theoretical. Yoga is a practical. With the help of the yoga only we can conquer our Atma Mana Kaladik. Is it clear? Like this the Sankhya darshana. Okay. See next another theory is that see Prakriti and Purusha. The analogy has been told that okay, see, this fellow is what? Blind. Okay, this fellow is blind. This fellow, okay, is a lame. Okay, this lame fellow is showing direction to the blind person. Similarly, Prakriti and Purusha, when they will coincide, that will call as a that will lead to the universe and that will lead to the consciousness. Like this, the Sankhya will tell. Okay, Sankhya will believe in the dualism. So the next point that is Nyaya Darshana. Yes. The second two theory, Nyaya and Vaisheshika Darshana. See, Sankhya and Yoga, they believed in spirituality. They believed in what? Buddhi Tattva. But Nyaya and Vaisheshika is not like that. Nyaya and Vaisheshika, they believed in Tarka. Tarka means what? Logic. Is it clear? Yatra yatra dhuma, tatra tatra vanni. They believed in logic. See, but coming to the Sankhya Darshana, it is not like that. They believed in Buddhi. There is no any question. They won't ask any question. They won't do any tarka. It's a consciousness. Matter and consciousness. That is a theorem. That is their theorem. But coming to Nyaya and Vaisheshika, it is not like that. They used to ask a question. They believed in tarka. Is it clear? They believed in tarka. See, Nyaya believed in 16 padarthas. They told that this universe is made up of the 16 padarthas. What the Sankhya is telling? Sankhya is telling that this Prakriti and Purusha will lead to the universe. Similarly, the Nyaya, they told that here 16 padarthas are there. Nyaya believed in pluralism. Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik. Is it clear? Nyaya believed in pluralism. But Sankhya believed in dualism. Okay. Similarly, so Nyaya means what? Whatever you will tell, they used to do logic. Whatever it may be. So to do logic, they used to use these padarthas. They used to use the Pramana Shastra. Their Pramana Shastra is Pratyaksha, Aptopadesha, Anumana, Yukti. They used to do logic. How they used to do logic? They used to do logic with the help of the Pancha Avaya Vakya. Pratigna, Yetu, Drishtanta, Upanaya, Nigamana. Whatever it may be, to prove this existence of the universe, they used to try to understand in the nature of the universe, they used to prove with the help of this Pramana Shastra. They believed in the pluralism. So next I can see Vaisheshika. Vaisheshika also. They believed in Padartha. This is it. They believed in Vaisheshika. They believed in Padartha. Nyaya believed in Pramana. How they used to prove? They used to prove with the help of the Pramana. Vaisheshika, they used to prove their concepts. How they used to prove their concepts? They used to prove their concepts with the help of what? Padartha. They believed in Shat Padartha. Okay, they believed in Shat Padartha. That is Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha, Samavaya. Is it clear? So then they believed in the pluralism. See, what Vaisheshika is telling? Okay, the author of Vaisheshika is Kanada Maharshi. Kana means atom. Is it clear? Atom level. See, when the classical physics, they don't have the answer for this quantum level, okay, how this subatom quantum will work, then the quantum physics has been started. It is started in the 21st century, 20th century. But there's a person called as Kanada, long years ago only, okay, he identified, he invented the atom. Kana means atom. Is it clear? So to prove their theory, this fellow used to believe, to prove the theory, they used to take the shelter of what? Padarthas. They believed in Shat Padartha. Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Vishesha, Samvaya. Okay. Their theory is what? pluralism. Pluralism means what? They believed in Atma, they believed in Manas, they believed in Brahmanda, Srishtikarta, or they believed in so many things. Is it clear? So like this was the theory of the Vaisheshika. But Vedantas are believed in totally. Vedanta, there are two types of Vedantas are there. Okay, Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa. Okay, Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa. Is it clear? There is another one Vedanta is there, Shankaracharya. Totally he believed in Advaita. They believed that this universe has been created by Brahma only. Brahma Satya, Jagan Mithya. Advaita. Is it clear? So there are two types of again Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa. All this Purva Mimamsa also Uttar Mimamsa they believed in the pluralism. Is it clear? So now we will try to say again. We'll see this is the what hierarchy. So this is the structural. So to try to understand the metaphysics means what? अंतिम सत्य. सृष्टि से पहले कौन है करता? सृष्टि से पहले क्या था? So they used to try to understand how this universe has been created. To understand, know thyself, so many people are telling so many theories. Sankhya is telling that this universe is made up of dualism, that is Prakriti and Purusha. Nyaya and Vaisheshika telling that this universe is made up of pluralism. Shankaracharya, Advaita is telling that this universe is made up of only monism. Okay. See, there is another one fellow called as Charvaka. Okay, Charvaka is there. Charvaka totally believed in Nastika Darshana. Charvaka came in the 6th century. Is it clear? Charvaka believed in Nastika. Charvaka came in the 6th century. He never believed in Vedanta. He never believed in Vedanta. Okay. See. Now I will try. See, this is the what hierarchy. So this is the schematic representation. Monism. Okay, material, idealism, and neutral. Okay. See, there is a person called Thales in Greek civilization. He believed that this universe is made up of only water. Person to person thought process is different. Is it clear? There is a person called Thales. He believed that this universe is made up of what? Water. Okay. Anaximus, again in the Greek civilization, he believed that this universe is made up of what? Air. Then Helictus. Helictus believed that this universe is made up of what? Air, water, and fire. Material cause. Is it clear? This universe is made up of what? Material cause. Then idealism. Okay. Chaitana. Monism. Shankaracharya. He believed in consciousness. Neutral. There is a person called Spinoza. This universe is made up of only neutral. Nothing is that. It is everything is neutral. Like this, I have been told. Okay. Neutralism. Okay. Dualism. This universe is made up of what? Matter and consciousness. Shankaracharya is the Sankhya Darshana. Sankhya Darshana is the best example. You believed in Prakriti and Purusha. Prakriti is what? Jada. Is it clear? Prakriti is Jada. Consciousness. Only Prakriti, see, only Sharira is there. Okay. Rashi Purusha is there. If there is no soul means what? That is useless. So that's why Prakriti and Purusha when coincide, that we will call as, that is the causation for this universe. Okay. See, Sankhya believe in the dualism. Then pluralism. Charvaka. Okay. Charvaka told that this universe is totally made up of matter only. Is it clear? He totally believed in. So he never believed in Vedantas. He never believed in God. No. He never believed in Vedas. He never believed in God. Nothing like God. There is no God in this universe. We all came here for our desire. We will fulfill our desire and we will go back there. That's it. Okay. He never believed in Vedanta. So in 6th century, see, Charvaka came in the 6th century BC. In 6th century BC, see, 6th century BC is a very interesting century, where in the 6th century BC, the person like Charvaka also came. In the 6th century BC, even the Bauddha Darshan also came. The Bauddha Darshan came into 6th century BC. Jaina Darshan also will come in 6th century BC. Even in the 6th century BC, it was a period of where the Nyaya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana, Sankhya Darshana, all the Darshana came into existence only in the 6th century BC. So even the 6 disciples of the Torah, they were also active in that time only. Their textbook called as Torah. Okay, it is also they came in the 6th century BC only. In 6th century BC, there was a trend was that how this universe has been created. All they are searching. One is telling that this universe is made up of Prakriti and Purusha. One is telling that nothing. No, there is nothing like God. This universe is made up of matter. One is telling that this universe is another one fellow is that Bauddha Darshana. He told that Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Shangam Sharanam Gacchami. He told that everything is Buddha. The universe has been created by Buddha. Different people, different theories. See, even Buddha has been told, another one Buddha will come, we have to follow that Buddha. Like this he has been told. Before dying Buddha he has been told, another one Buddha will come, we have to follow that Buddha. 6th century BC. Is it clear? So like this. See, then consciousness, then pluralism. See, Jaina Darshana, Bauddha Darshana, Nyaya Darshana, Vaisheshika Darshana, they believed in the pluralism. So I hope you got the point. Okay. So now we will try to understand that how these darshanas influenced the Ayurveda. See, when quantum mechanics, they told that this light is a dual in nature, then matter also dual nature. Sankhya talks about matter. That is nothing but dravya. Guna is very similar to chemistry. Physics is very similar to, karma is very similar to physics. What is karma? Karma means chesta, action. Gravitational force. There are 3 types of karmas are there. Gurutvakasha, gravitational force. So that's why in non-lecture hour they have added in the non-lecture hour. Compare with physics theory. Compare with modern motion theory. Gravitation theory. They are very similar. When light is having dual nature, matter is having dual nature. Ayurveda believe matter. Sankhya Darshana talks about dual nature. Nyaya and Vaisheshika Darshana, they talks about pluralism. So now we will try to see how these darshanas influenced the Ayurveda. Is it clear? All these darshanas came into the 6th century BC. So if you see the Charaka Samhita, who is the author of Charaka Samhita? Who is the author of Charaka Samhita? Acharya Charaka? Agnivesha? See, Charaka Samhita is the finest textbook which is written by Charaka. It is the finest comprehensive textbook. Charaka Samhita is the finest comprehensive textbook written by Agnivesha. Who is Agnivesha? When Agnivesha written, it was a tantra, it was not Samhita. Clear? It was a Agnivesha tantra. It is written in the, I think it is written in the 1500 BC. In 1500 BC, it is written by Agnivesha. When Agnivesha has been written, it was a tantra. Tantra means what? Agnivesha Tantra is written in the sutras only. It is not written in Bhashya. It is a very small textbook. Agnivesha Tantra Charaka Prati Samskrutaha. It was written by Agnivesha, which has been written in Sutra. Then the person called as Charaka, he has been edited it. Clear? He has been edited and he has been added Sutra, Bhashya, Sangraha. Innond Bartida Charaka. Is it clear? It was Agnivesha Tantra which is written in what? Written in Sutra. It is written in Sutra. If you see the time period of the Charaka Samhita, it was between the 6th century BC to 2nd century AD. Is it clear? It was between 6th century BC to 2nd century AD. Is it clear? So the Agnivesha Tantra converted into Charaka Samhita. Okay. Charaka means what? The person who will move from one place to another place. So even it has been said that to earn the knowledge we have to cross the ocean. Is it not? To earn the knowledge, you have to cross the ocean. Same simile. So every day Charaka used to say, every day is a new day for Charaka. Is it clear? So he has been added so many things. Charaka has been added so many things. So like this, Charaka has been influenced by the darshanas. Then the person, according to Arun Datta, he has been said that Charaka has been not completed the textbook and it has been completed by Drudabala. Who is Drudabala? Drudabala is a Kashmiri Pandit. So in Kashmiri Pandit, there was a trend was there. They used to edit their textbooks. Every year they used to edit their textbook. So like this, the Kashmiri Pandit, the Drudabala has been edited the textbook. So now we will try to understand, we will try to search, we will try to know, we will try to understand the metaphysics. How these darshanas influenced the Ayurveda. Clear? Is it clear? So now we know the what metaphysics of all the darshanas. Sankhya believed in dualism. Nyaya and Vaisheshika believe in the pluralism. Okay. Vedanta believe in the monism. Okay. Is it clear? Charvaka totally believed in the matter. Charvaka totally believed in the matter. Okay. So if you see the, we'll try to come how this darshana influenced the Ayurveda. Is it clear? See the chapter number 1, Charaka Samhita. So which is the chapter number 1? The chapter number 1 Charaka Samhita is Dirgha Jivitya Adhyaya. In reality, it is a Dirgha Jivana Kala Adhyaya. The word Kala Pada has been did the Lopa. Okay. It will become Dirgha Jivana Kala Adhyaya. It will become very long. That's why what this fellow did. They did a shortcut. They removed the word called Kala. Dirgha Jivana Adhyaya. Okay. Is it clear? See, this Charaka Samhita textbook has been written in three forms. One is Sutra, another one is Bhashya, another one is Sangraha, collection. So if you see the Vimanasthana, Sharirasthana, or essay are there, you cannot buy it. It has been written essay. Is it clear? So collection, Sangraha, wherever there is a need is that he has been written in the Sutra. Most importantly, he used the Anushtup Chandas. He used the Anushtup Chandas. Why he used the Anushtup Chandas means? Because Anushtup Chandas is very easy to buy, that's why he has been using the Anushtup Chandas. See, if you see the first chapter, that is Charaka Samhita, Sutrasthana. In Sutrasthana, there are 7. See, that's what I told. Charaka Samhita is the best example for the systematic research, systematic approach. These 30 chapters, he has been divided into 7 domains. The first domain is Bheshaja. That Bheshaja Chatushka is addressing regarding Bheshaja. The first chapter, Dirgha Jivitya Adhyaya, is totally influenced by Vaisheshika Darshana. Clear? Who is Vaisheshika Darshana? What is the metaphysics of Vaisheshika Darshana? Vaisheshika believed in pluralism. What is the epistemology of Vaisheshika Darshana? Vaisheshika Darshana believed in Tarka. Anything, how this universe came into the existence. If you tell that there was a Prakriti is there, Purusha is there, if you tell like this, they won't accept it. They will do logic. Clear? No, we don't believe it. We will do logic. Prove it. Okay? They believed in what? Shad Padartha. The first chapter of Charaka Samhita is influenced by Vaisheshika Darshana. So that's why if you see the first chapter, what is there? Samanya, Vishesha, Dravya, Guna, Karma, Samanya, Samvaya. Okay, like this is there. Okay, totally the first chapter is influenced by what? Shat Padartha of Vaisheshika Darshana. Vaisheshika believed in what? Pluralism. This universe is made up of Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik, Namakarana Dravyas. Similarity. Okay, is it clear? So quantum entanglement, coherent. It is very similar to the modern physics, quantum mechanics. Is it clear? See, the first chapter of Charaka Samhita is totally influenced by the what? Vaisheshika Darshana. Vaisheshika will talk about the Padartha. Sankhya Darshana, the Srushti Utpatti, which has been accepted by Charaka, it has been inspired from the Sankhya Darshana. Whatever Sankhya Darshana has been said, so he has been adopted. So even Charaka Samhita, Swabhava Paramavada. Do you know Swabhava Paramavada is there? Swabhava Paramavada is influenced from the Bauddha Darshana. He has been taken from the Bauddha Darshana. That's why I told Charaka Samhita is a comprehensive textbook. Whatever he feel good, he has been taken. Whatever he feel good and whatever things are needed to maintain the dhatu samyata, he has been taken and he has been added. See, Vaisheshika he has taken Shat Padartha. From Sankhya he has been taken the Srishti Utpatti, Chatrimshati Purusha. From Bauddha Darshana he has been taken Swabhava Paramavada. See, even he has been not left the Dharma Shastra. So in Swastha Chatushka there is a chapter called as Indriyopakramaniya Adhyaya. In Indriyopakramaniya Adhyaya, almost all the Sadrutas has been told. That Sadrutas has been taken from the what? Dharma Shastra. So like this, the first chapter of the Vaisheshika Darshana has been influenced the Charaka Samhita. Clear? Then next again. Is it boring?
No, sir.
Yes, see. Similarities between Vaisheshika and Ayurveda. Vaisheshika Darshana will talk about the Vishesha Tattva. Vaisheshika talks about the Shat Padartha. See, Vaisheshika has been gone one step ahead. There is two types of, one is Bhava Padartha and one is Abhava Padartha. Is it clear? Bhava means what? Existence. Abhava means non-existence. Vaisheshika believed in non-existence also. ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದಿರುವುದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅದೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು ವೈಶೇಷಿಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಭಾವ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಭಾವ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಷಟ್ ಪದಾರ್ಥಸ್ that which is existing that only we will believe the thing which is not existing we cannot believe. So here Vaisheshika, the metaphysics of Vaisheshika Darshana, to prove this, how this universe came into the existence. See, different people, different thought process. Their metaphysics, अंतिम सत्य, ये सृष्टि का कर्ता, इस सृष्टि को पहचानने के लिए अपनी आत्मा है कहाँ से आए, तो उसने क्या किया? तर्क से प्रूव किया. जो सत पदार्थ जो बोला, what the shat padartha has been told, same has been influenced by the Ayurveda also. See, Ayurveda accepted Shat Padartha which has been told in the Vaisheshika Darshana accepted. Navakarana Dravya. This universe is made up of what? Navakarana Dravya. That is Panchamahabhuta, Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik. Panchamahabhuta. Okay. Panchamahabhuta. Prithvi, Aap, Teja, Vayu, Akasha. Prithvi means earth. Aap means water. Fire, Agni means fire, okay. Vayu means air, Akasha means space. These are the causation, and along with that Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik. So Ayurveda tells that this human body is made up of body, mind and soul. It is what? Pluralism. Is it not? See, only body is not sufficient. Your body is here, Manas is somewhere. It is not possible. Body, mind and soul, combination of Atma, Mana, Indriya, all four should be there. Then only we will call it as a Sharira. Okay. See, Navakarana Dravya, Ayurveda also accepted Navakarana Dravya. 24 gunas are there, among them 22 has been accepted. Panchavida Karma, Tilupapavada, Abhava, see, Abhava accepted as a Pramana by Vaisheshika Darshana, but Ayurveda has been not accepted Abhava as a Pramana. Is it clear? Why? Because Ayurveda told that the thing which is not existing, how can we prove it? That which is existing, we will believe only in existing. But the person called Vaisheshika, Kanada, has been accepted Abhava also. See, then again similarities between Nyaya Darshana and Vaisheshika, Nyaya Darshana and Ayurveda. Okay. See, what is Nyaya? Nyaya also believed in the pluralism. Nyaya means what? Tarka. If you tell something, they won't accept. They will do logic. Okay, there is a Pundi is there. Positive science never ever will accept how and why. Okay, you should not ask the question for the positive science. See, but Nyaya people are not like that. If you tell something, they will ask. You have to prove it logically. Yatra yatra dhuma, tatra tatra vani. You have to prove it. But Sankhya is not like that. Is it? Let's see, Nyayas, how they used to prove their concept? Eureka, eureka. Their thought process they used to prove with the help of what? Pramanas. Four pramanas. Okay, Ayurveda accepted the four pramanas. In Charaka Samhita, in 11th chapter, that is Tistreshani Adhyaya. In Tistreshani Adhyaya, Ayurveda has been accepted these four pramanas. And Ayurveda has been entertained the pramana. But in Charaka Samhita, they never use the word called pramana. They use the word called pariksha. In Tistreshani Adhyaya, the encyclopedia of pariksha has been told. Instead of using the pramana, he has been used the word called pariksha. Clear? Pariksha is synonymous of pramana. Ayurveda has been accepted the pramana theory which has been told by the Nyaya Darshana. See, even Nyaya, they believed in rebirth and moksha. That's what I told, pluralism. What is the metaphysics of Nyaya? They believed in the pluralism. So there is a rebirth is there, there is a moksha is there, Atma is there, Mana is there. But Charaka like monism, Charvaka, he told that this universe is only made up of matter. Is it clear? This universe is only made up of matter. There is nothing like God. There is nothing like consciousness. We came here for our desire. We will fulfill our desire and we will go there. Okay. So there is one good thought is that which has been told by William Wordsworth. Our ingress in the world is naked and bare. Our progress in the world, trouble and care. Our regress in the world, we don't know where. If we do well here, we shall do well there. Charvaka is just like this. There is nothing like Punarjanma, nothing like relationship. We came here, we have to enjoy it. That's it, that is the life. They believed in the monism. Okay, universe is made up of only matter. Nothing like consciousness. Okay, like this. Okay, say, they believed in rebirth and moksha, pluralism. Even Ayurveda also accepted. Nyaya Darshana has been told Navakarana Dravya, accepted. They believed in Arambhavada, Hetva Bhasa, Chala, Jati, Nigraha Sthana. So Ayurveda has been not accepted. So these things very deeply you will read in your upcoming classes. So here my aim is just to enrich you and enlighten you how this quantum mechanics got the answer in the Ayurveda, got the answer in the Vedanta, and how this Vedanta has been influenced by Ayurveda. Is it clear? So next, again, see Sankhya and Ayurveda. See, Sankhya believed in what? Dualism. Light is a particle, light is a wave. So when light is having particle and dualism, matter is also having dualism. Universe will also show the dualism. Is it not? Universe will also show the dualism. See, Sankhya believed in what? Prakriti and Purusha. What is Prakriti? Prakriti is a jada, that is a matter. Purusha is a consciousness. Ayurveda accepted it. Okay, Ayurveda accepted it. Okay. So Sankhya has been told Panchavimshati Tattva. Ayurveda has been accepted the Panchavimshati Tattva. Okay. So even Sankhya has been told Triguna. Ayurveda has been accepted Triguna. And even Ayurveda has been influenced by Triguna. Is it clear? The Sattva Rajatama, which has been told, which has been taken from Sankhya Darshana only. So Charaka, that's what I told, is a comprehensive textbook. Wherever he got goodness, okay, wherever he got goodness, he has been taken all the things and he has been added. It was a Agnivesha Tantra, which is written by Charaka, which has been edited by Charaka. It was a Tantra edited by Charaka. It was the period of Samhita. That's why it has become Samhita. So this is the era of WhatsApp. That's why we got a WhatsApp. This is the era of WhatsApp. At that time, it was when Charaka was there. At that time, it was a period of Samhita. See how the period has been influenced. How the period has been influenced. It was a Tantra converted into Samhita. So Charaka has been did the remix. It was only Agnivesha Tantra. See, he has been taken the Vaisheshika Darshana added, Sankhya Darshana added. So that's why it has become 120 chapter. We feel that it is a very textbook, very big textbook. Okay. See, these are how influenced. Then next. See, similarities between yoga and Ayurveda. So I have told that Sankhya is totally theoretical. Yoga is practical. Sankhya and yoga believed in what? Buddhi Tattva. They believed in spirituality. But Nyaya and Vaisheshika, analytical techniques. Okay, so even Ayurveda accepted yoga. Ayurveda also has been accepted yoga. Okay, even Ayurveda has been accepted Vyayama also. Ayurveda has been told Vyayama, the concept of Vyayama, yoga, all this has been accepted. Three Pramanas also Ayurveda has been accepted. The theory of karma, phala, punarjanma all has been accepted. So then the similarities of Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa in Ayurveda. Okay, Mimamsa means Jignasa. Jignasa. Okay, so they have the thrust. Okay, how this universe has been came. Okay, so they used to identify the answer. Know thyself, know thyself. Okay, so even Purva Mimamsa, see Purva Mimamsa has been told that. See Purva Mimamsa, they are told that Balagraha Chikitsa, Rasayana, Ayurveda also accepted. So they are told Navakarana Dravya, Ayurveda also accepted. Uttar Mimamsa, see Uttar Mimamsa, they believed in what? Monism. They told that Brahma, Satya, Jagan Nitya. There is nothing like Prakriti, nothing like consciousness, no logic, nothing. This universe is made up of what? Only Brahma. Okay, it is what? Monism. Okay, so even Ayurveda also accepted it. Okay, Karma Phala accepted it. Concept of moksha, smriti, vairagya all has been accepted. So these are the how here Vedanta of the Darshana has been influenced the Ayurveda. This is here. The next similarities of Charvaka Darshana and Ayurveda. So I told that Charvaka believed only in matter. Only believed in matter. Okay. Is it clear? What practically Charvaka believed in Pratyaksha only. Yavat jivite, sukham jivite. Unam krutam, brutam pibet. Bhasmi bhutasya deha. Yavat jivite, sukham jivite. Charvaka has been told that this life we will get only one time. Runam krutam, grutam pibet. Sala ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ತುಪ್ಪ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. This was the thought of Charvaka. Charvaka has been told that there is nothing like universe, nothing like God. Okay, only one life is there. Okay, we have to take debit from others and we have to enjoy the life. Okay, is it clear? So he believed only in Pratyaksha. Charvaka only believed in Pratyaksha. Even Ayurveda also accepted Pratyaksha. The other principles of the Charvaka has been not accepted. Charvaka came in the 6th century. So regarding Charvaka, there are so many confusions. So many Charvakas are there in 6th century BC. Okay, so in 6th century BC, at that time, there so many people they were fed up with the Vedas. So even Bauddha Darshana, see, Bauddha Darshana they have not accepted Veda, but they accepted God. They believed in God, but they have not accepted Veda. That's why we call it Astika Nastika Darshana. In 6th century BC, there was trend was there. How this universe has been created. Even I have told that. Okay, there was a trend of Torah also. There is a textbook called as Torah is there, which has been written in the Bible. The disciples of Torah, they were active in that time period only. Okay, that was time trend was there. How this universe has been created. Okay, they used to search the answer. Okay, but in the 20th century, Schellinger, Heisenberg, Neil Bohr, they got the answer in Vedanta. When light is having dual nature, matter will be having dual nature. So the matter is nothing but energy. The matter is nothing but consciousness. Vedanta will talk about the Maya illusion. Matter is not a matter, matter is made up of energy, that is consciousness. Prakriti, Purusha. Only Prakriti, matter is not sufficient. Matter is Jada. The Sharira is Jada. When the consciousness will come, Prakriti, Jada, when they will coincide, what this universe has been came, like this dualism. Is it clear? See, then next, see, the other principles of Charvaka, Ayurveda has been not accepted. Okay, so similarly, Jaina Darshana, Buddham Shana, Jaina Darshana also came, Tirthankaras, okay, Jaina Darshana. They believed in God, but they don't believe in Vedas. Okay, they don't believe in Vedas. That's it. Okay, that is the difference. There is nothing more difference. Okay, see, they followed the Sadrutta. Ayurveda has been accepted Sadrutta. Okay, so I told that. So in Ingropakramani Adhyaya, okay, so the Sadrutta has been told, which has been written in essay. Essay type they have written. So I told Charaka Samhita has been written in Sutra Bhashya Sangraha. Sutra Bhashya Sangraha. he has been used Anushtup Chandas. So in Indropakramani Adhyaya, so it is a very big chapter. Sadruta has been told that Sadruta is inspired from the where? Dharma Shastra. Okay, even from some part has been taken from Jain Darshana. Sadruta, Ayurveda also accepted Sadruta. Okay, then Ahimsa, Ayurveda also accepted Ahimsa. So they believed in Atma and Paramatma, but they do not believe in Vedanta. Is it clear? See, person to person, thought process is different. Newton told that Newton theory is light is a particle. Okay, this Dutch. Okay, Christian Huygens theory is light is a wave. Here Charvaka theory, this universe is made up of matter. Sankhya theory made up of dualism. Shankaracharya made up of monism. Charvaka monism. Person to person thought process is different. Okay, like this they used to try to understand this how this universe has been came into existence. Ultimate truth, Antim Satya, metaphysics. They used to try to understand the metaphysics, how this universe has been came into the existence. The next, again, see Bauddha Darshana and Ayurveda. Okay, see Bauddha Darshana, they told that this universe has been created by Bauddha. So before dying, Bauddha has been told that one more Bauddha will come, we have to follow that Bauddha. Like this Bauddha has been told. Before dying, Bauddha has been told. He told that one more Bauddha will come. Bauddha Darshana came into the 6th century BC. Bauddha Darshana, they never accepted Vedas. They believed in God, but they won't accepted Vedanta. Okay. See, they believed in two Pramanas. So again, how it is influenced. So they believed in Punarjanma. They believed in Punarjanma. The person called Charvaka, Yavat Jivite, Sukham Jivite. Runam Kuttum, Gurtam Pibet. Charvaka never believed in Punarjanma. The people like Jain Darshana, they believed in Punarjanma. Ayurveda also accepted. Karma Phala, they have accepted. Karyakarana Siddhanta, accepted. Sadrutta, accepted. This Ayurveda is nothing but Karyakarana Siddhanta. So Charaka Samhita is based on Three Sutra Ayurveda. Charaka Samhita is based on Three Sutra Ayurveda. Hetu, Linga, Aushadha. Ashtanga Hridaya, Shushruta Samhita is based on Bija Chatushtaya. Purusha, Vyadhi, Aushadha, Kriya Kala. Is it clear? Purusha, Vyadhi, Aushadha, Kriya Kala. Charaka Samhita will talk about the Hetu, Linga, Aushadha. All the patient will come with signs and symptoms. That is nothing but Linga. For that signs and symptoms, we have to identify the causation. For that cause, we have to give Aushadha. How to identify the cause? What are the Karanas of Ayurveda? That is Shat Padartha. Shat Padartha has been told by who? Vaisheshika Darshana. How many Shat Padarthas are there? Navakarana Dravyas are there. And say, how many Karanas are there? Navakarana Dravyas are there. And Shat Padarthas are there. Okay. So, Charaka is based on Three Sutra Ayurveda. Patient will come with signs and symptoms. For that signs and symptoms, we have to identify what? We have to identify the cause. For that cause, we have to give the Aushadha. Three Sutra Ayurveda. Hetu Linga Aushadha Jnana. But Shushruta Samhita totally it is based on Bija Chatushtaya. Purusha, Vyadhi, Aushadha, Kriya Kala. Clear? So like this. This fellow based on Three Sutra, that is based on what? Bija Chatushtaya. Then again similarities. See. So this was the theory. Sankhya Darshana has been told by Kapila Maharshi. Yoga has been told by Patanjali. What is the metaphysics of Sankhya and Yoga? Sankhya believed in dualism. Is it clear? This universe, how the Sankhya has been told? Sankhya has been proved this universe is made up of what? Prakriti and Purusha. Prakriti is matter, that is Jada. Only human body is not sufficient. In that human body, what we need? Consciousness. Is it clear? What is the metaphysics of Sankhya? Dualistic, dual theory. Light is particle and wave. So when light is particle, matter. Is it clear? Sankhya believed in dualism. Then next, Nyaya and Vaisheshika. Nyaya and Vaisheshika, they believed on Tarka. If you tell that this universe is made up of Prakriti and Purusha, They won't accept. No. They will do logic. How they will do logic? With the help of pramanas. Is it clear? What is the pramana? Pramana means yathartha jnana, samyak jnana. Is it clear? See, for example, if for example, believe that. So if see, this is a rope. For this rope, if I tell it as a snake, it is aprama, invalid knowledge. By seeing the rope, if you tell it as a snake, we will call it as aprama, that is invalid knowledge. By seeing a rope, if you tell it is a rope, that is prama. Prama means what? Pramana means what? Yathartha jnana, as it is. There is no bias. If you see the rope and if you tell it as a snake, that is invalid. There is a bias is there. Okay. So here Nyaya and Vaisheshika based on what? Pluralism. Exactly. They believed in rebirth. They believed in Atma. They believed in Moksha. They believed in Atma. So to prove Atma, Mana, Kala, Dik, what they have taken? How they proved? They proved with the help of what? Pramanas. Is it clear? They proved with the help of what? Pramanas. Which are those pramanas? Aptopadesha, Pratyaksha, Anumana, Yukti. Is it clear? See, Aptopadesha. Okay. See, Aptopadesha means what? The person who is free from the Raja and Tamaguna. Tapojnana balena. They use the word called Tapojnana balena. See, this word Tapojnana balena means to earn the knowledge, tapas. First we have to do the tapas. We have to become tapasvi. First we have to conquer our mind and soul. Then we have to learn the knowledge. Unless and until if we won't conquer our manas, is it possible to learn the knowledge? Yes. So that's why this Ayurveda talks about the Jnana Chakshu, Dhyana Chakshu, Divya Darshana. Dhyana Chakshu. First we have to concentrate our mind, Atma, soul. Then we have to learn. The person first who will do dhyana, once if he concentrate all the Atma Manas, then whatever he will read and whatever he will speak, that is called as Shabda Pramana. Apta is anyone Shabda Pramana. Once if he concentrate Manas, then whatever he will read, that will become Samyak Jnana, and whatever he will speak, that will become Trat, that is Shabda Pramana. Aptopadesha. Then Pratyaksha, Indriyartha Sannikarsha Janya Jnana. Indriyartha Sannikarsha, with the help of the Indriyas we will perceive. But Charaka, see the thought process of Charaka. Charaka is very minute, very deep. Quantum level, you go into. See, classical physics never proved the quantum. Is it clear? Classical physics proved. See, classical physics was very superficial. There was no solution for atom level. See, Charaka has been told that Pratyaksham hi alpam analpam apratyaksam asti. Only Pratyaksha is not sufficient to prove our hypothesis. Hypothesis is not possible to prove. That's why he has been told Anumana. Tarka, logic. Practically, if we see, only practically seeing is not sufficient. You have to do logic. Tarka. What is the matter? See, Nyaya and Vaisheshika Darshana believed in logic, pluralism, and how this pluralism they are proved? With the help of logic. Okay, to do logic, what they use? They use Pramana. Nyaya and Vaisheshika, they believed in the pluralism and logic. Nyaya and Vaisheshika is based on what? Tarka. Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa. Okay, Mimamsa means what? Jignasa. Is it clear? So like this. So then, see, quantum was given Ayurveda. See how this quantum physics, there was no answer for the matter. Okay, these people they got answer in the Vedantas. This Vedanta has been influenced by Ayurveda. So now we try to see the similarities of quantum mechanics in Ayurveda. See, it has been said that in Ayurveda, okay, in Ayurveda also they have said that, see, Visarga Adanam, Soma Surya Anilah Yata. So in universe, quantum entanglement. See, in 2022, for quantum entanglement, they have got a Nobel Prize. Okay, is it clear? Quantum entanglement. So in universe, there is a Surya. sun is there, moon is there, and air is there. Is it clear? This universe is made up of what? Sun, moon, and universe. Okay, sun, moon, and air. Okay, similarly, okay, so in Deha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha is there. In Deha, there is a Vata, Pitta, Kapha is there. That you will call as a quantum entanglement. Is it clear? See, actually, for quantum mechanics, they have not tried to understand how this matter is there. Okay, so for that they use the word called quantum decoherence. Is it clear? There is universe. They are told that quantum mechanics talk that. Okay, universe is a consciousness. Universe is a consciousness. Okay, Ayurveda also said. Okay, see here, in universe there is a Surya is there. Is not? Sun is there. In Sharira there is a Pitta is there. So in universe there is a air is there. In our body Vata is there. In universe there is a moon is there. In our body Kapha is there. So Vata, Vagati, Gandhanayo. Vata means what? Theory of movement. Say I am moving here and there. It is only due to what? Vata. So if there is no Vata, there will be no movement. Theory of movement. Is it clear? So in universe, Vayu is there. In our body, Vata is there. So in universe there is a Pitta is there. So in universe there is a Surya is there. Okay. So in our body, Pitta is there. Okay. So Pitta, theory of metabolism. So believe that in our human body, if there is no Pitta, whatever we will eat, it won't digest. Metabolism, anabolism, catabolism. This Pitta we will call it as Agni, fire. So whatever we will eat, it will go into the stomach. That we will call it as Grahani in Ayurveda. In Grahani, there is Agni is there. That Agni will act as a metabolism. If there is no Agni, whatever we will eat, it will remain as it is. It won't digest. Is it clear? Agni is there, that's why we will digest. When it will digest, it will act as a metabolism. So it will spread into all into our body and it will nourishes our body. Kapha, growth and development. If there was no kapha, there will be no growth and development. That's why they use the word called Srishyate Alingana. So similarities are there. That's why I told universe itself is universe is a consciousness. There is similarities between what? Nature and Ayurveda. Okay. So then see this Vata is psychologically also. Okay, psychologically, physiological and psychological. Vata. So here psychologically we have Sattva, Raja, and Tamoguna. See Vata, theory of movement. Pitta, theory of transformation. Kapha, theory of support and growth. Psychologically we have three gunas: Sattva and Raja and Tama. Okay, Sattva means pure, very simple. Okay, so again you will read in your syllabus point. Sattva means what? Again it's a very, Sattva means pure. Rajoguna means what? Anger. That is Pitta. Okay, Pitta is there. That's why we will get the Raja. Okay, Rajoguna. Okay, then Kapha means Tama. Okay, Alasya. Similarities are there. See, like this, if you see, there are so many similarities are there. Okay, see then Vata. So how do you identify the Vata? That's what I told. See, Ayurveda is based on the qualitative research, not quantitative. There are two types of research are there: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative research. Qualitative research, the thing which we cannot measure, emotions, feeling. Is it possible to measure Atma, Mana? No, not possible. The thing which is based on the attributes, we will call it a qualitative research. For example, is it possible to see Vata? No. See, Vata can be appreciated based on the characteristics. Clear? So, is it possible to see air? No. It can be identified based on the characteristics. It's a qualitative. Quantitative means what? The thing which we will measure, precisely we will measure, we will call it quantitative. So, Vata can be identified with the help of what? Tatra, Ruksha, Lagu, Shita, Khara, Sukshma, Chala, Anilaha. See, dryness. So, if you appreciate something dryness in the human body, that is characteristics of what? Vata. Is it clear? So if dryness is increased, tatra ruksha. See how minute theory is. When ruksha will increase, what happen? Ushnata will increase. Pitta. Clear? See what is the first characteristics of vata? Ruksha. When ruksha is increased, what happen? It will, Ushnata will increase. See again pitta is increased. When Ushnata will increase, what happen? So Manda, again Kapha will increase. So one by one interconnectedness is there. Is it clear? Well, like just like a quantum entanglement. Everything interconnected is there. Okay. So one guna is increased, again it will leads to different guna. Interconnectedness is there. That was my conclusion point. See, similarly, so pitta means what? See, pitta will include the heat, temperature, acidity. All these are due to pitta only. Kapha, structural growth, coldness, heaviness. So if one guna will hamper, it won't hamper only vata also. Again the next pitta, kapha, all one by one like this link will be there. So then next, see again sarva panchabhautikatvam. See dravya. See in Chikitsa Chatushpada they are used Bishak dravya. Bahuta yogyatvam aneka vida kalpana sampat cheti chatushko ayam. Okay. So dravya. Is it clear? So here what they are telling that, see all the dravyas they are made up of panchamahabhuta. The similarities are there. Lokapurusha samyata. Lokapurusha samyata. Whatever there is in the universe, same thing is there in our body. That's why I told. Okay, matter is not a matter. Matter is made up of energy. This universe itself is a consciousness. That is a quantum mechanics. That is quantum mechanics. Quantum will talk about the. See, that's why I told. So even the government has been criticized that you should not use the word called as quantum mechanics. But NCSM has been standard like this only. Okay, they never change the word quantum mechanics. They are using the quantum mechanics. Why? Because they are entertaining the interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary. So all the electives are what? Multidisciplinary approach. All your non-lecture hours, interdisciplinary approach. Is it not? Transitional curriculum which is based on the SAGE criteria. Okay, so like this, interdisciplinary. Okay, there is one by one link is there. Universe is a conscious. Okay, universe itself is a consciousness. Okay, so like this, Panchamahabhuta, there are 5 Panchamahabhutas are there. Say Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi. Okay. So then, according to modern chemistry, atoms are the smallest particles of the every substances. Panchamahabhuta holds the good at the atomic level. Okay, Panchamahabhuta also will hold at the good at the atomic level. See this proton, neutron, electron are very similar to the Panchamahabhuta. Very similar to the Panchamahabhuta. What is proton? Proton is a positive energy. Is it clear? So in classical physics, there was no answer to the subatom level. Is it clear? So that's why quantum mechanics came into the existence. When the quantum mechanics came into existence, they are talking about the proton, electron, neutron. See here, the proton and electron, they will carry the energy. Is it not? Proton means what? Positive. Electron means what? Negative. Okay. See, proton and electron carry the charges, and this is energy is responsible for the function of the atom. If there is no proton and electron, the atom will won't charge. Is it clear? See, that is nothing but what? In Ayurveda, that is nothing but Agni Mahabhuta. Clear? That is nothing but Agni Mahabhuta. Already in morning, the sir has been told. Pitta is made up of Agni. So believe that in Grahani, if there is no Agni, is it possible for metabolism, anabolism, catabolism? Not possible. Is it clear? So like this, similarities are there. Analogy. It's an interdisciplinary approach. Is it clear? NCSM has been initiating this interdisciplinary approach. That's why in non-lecture hour, for Guna, they have told you have to compare with chemistry theory. For Karma, you have to compare with the physics. Physics is not, see, Karma is nothing but theory of, Karma is nothing but physics only. Theory of gravitation. All this we have to compare Ayurveda with modern that has been entertaining in the non-lecture hour, which has been added in your new medical education standards. See then, proton, electron having definite bonding between them. Okay, that bonding is due to Jala Mahabhuta. That is due to water only. Okay, Jala Mahabhuta. Similarities, analogy. This we will call the Nidarshana Tantra or Upamana Pramana. Similarities, we are trying to compare, we will try to see the similarities between quantum mechanics and Ayurveda. Is it clear? See then again, see every atom has a definite mass, okay, and definite atomic mass number, okay, that can be compared with the Prithvi Mahabhuta, okay, that can be compared with the Prithvi Mahabhuta. Atom is very heavy in nature, so like this, okay. So then electrons which are continuously moving around the nucleus, is it not? The atoms which are moving continuously around the nucleus in a definite orbit can be compared with the Vayu Mahabhuta. See, the atoms are always, it is moving. Okay, that is nothing but Vayu. Okay, that is nothing but Vayu. Okay, irrespective of size, every atom occupies some space in the universe. That is nothing but innate property of the Akasha Mahabhuta. So, like this, we will see the Pancha Mahabhuta similarities. See, from Pancha Mahabhuta only, this Tridosha has been formed. Okay, is it clear? From Pancha Mahabhuta only, this Tridosha has been formed. Like this, the similarities are there. Okay, the take-home message is, okay, integrate Ayurveda with the allied science. So that's why they have added the electives. In electives, they have added the pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical science, sports science, cardiology. Okay, in the non-lecture hour, they have added something called as, say, Dravya. This universe is made up of Dravya, Guna, Karma. What is meant by Dravya? So in Ayurveda, they have told definition like Yatra Shita, Karma Guna, Karanam, Samavahi, Yatata Dravya. A matter which is having quality and action. Is it clear? Any matter, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಚಾರ್ವಾಕ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಸಾಂಖ್ಯ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್. Advaita, Shankaracharya believed in what? Only monism, only Brahma. Ayurveda believed in pluralism. Ayurveda believed in Atma. Ayurveda accepted rebirth. Everything. Ayurveda is pluralism. So that's why we have to integrative. Okay, integrative approach. This is the integrative approach. So whatever you will read, you will try to compare it with allied science. So even Shushruta has been told that Ekam Shastram Madhyayano. If you read only one Shastra, that is not possible. Going beyond the subjects, okay, trying to compare. So we have to prove it, and this is the era of the evidence-based medicine. The word evidence-based medicine has been coined by Dave Sackett. Okay, so evidence-based medicine is defined as integration of, okay, clinical expertise, your clinical experience, plus research evidence, plus patient value. See, he has been not told only clinical experience. This is the era of evidence-based medicine. If you tell that in Ayurveda, for all medicine there is a treatment is there, no one will believe. How you prove it? Is it not? We have to prove it, evidence-based medicine. Clinical expertise plus research evidence, we have to do research. And along with that, patient value. All the three we will integrate it, that we will call as a evidence-based medicine. It is not evidence-burden medicine. Why? Because every month more than 10 to 20,000 of articles are publishing. For a busy practitioner, it is not possible to read 20,000, 10,000 articles every day. Okay, is it clear? So that's why whatever you will read, you try to integrate it with allied science. A philosopher always he has to read physics, chemistry, mathematics. So even Einstein has been gone wrong. Is it clear? Einstein has been told that light is a particle. Is it not? Light is a particle. So when this fellow, Schrödinger and Heisenberg, they did the double slit experiment. Okay, so light is a particle. They have added the detector. When they will remove the detector, light is acting like a wave. Einstein gone wrong. Who got the Nobel Prize? Then the quantum mechanics has been started. That's why they have started searching the answer. Long years ago only, they have told that this universe is made up of what? Consciousness. Ayurveda believes that it's a consciousness. You believe in consciousness, prakriti, matter, like this, okay? So the take home message is whatever you will read, so you believe that. So I read the physics, chemistry, now I came to something different, it's not possible. So whatever you read it, you try to compare with the Ayurveda, okay, integrative approach. So that's why minimum standards of education they have added the non-lecture hour. In the non-lecture hour, totally it's a interdisciplinary approach. So then application of technology, okay, try to apply the technology. This is my take home message, okay. So try to prove the technology. So technology is a village. The technology is a village. So this is the era of information. So whatever you will read, you should have macroscopic view, macroscopic view, microscopic view. So nowadays, this is the era of WhatsApp. Only microscopic and macroscopic is not sufficient. We should have ultra microscopic level. Samsung Ultra is there. Ultra. You have to think ultra also. Ultra microscopic. Quantum mechanics talks about the ultra microscopic. Atom, subatom, universe, consciousness. They got the answer all in the Vedantas. Okay. So the next take home message is think beyond the box. Okay, don't be Kupa Manduka. Okay. Think beyond the box. Try to compare, correlate, and whatever you will read, you try to prove it. Okay, you try to prove it. Then, as I told that, only reading one textbook is not sufficient. Okay, every day you will read so many textbooks. Okay, is it clear? You have to read so many textbooks and you have to compare it. So that's why I told technology is the village. Technology is the village. Then, see, knowing ourselves is the beginning of wisdom. What these people they did, all these Einstein, Schrödinger, Heisenberg, Vaisheshika, Nyaya, Charaka, Shushruta, they gone in search of what? Knowledge. Is it clear? They did nothing. They tried to understand, know thyself. Is it clear? Which is the biggest problem of the human being? ಈ ಯುಗದ ಮಾನವನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಈ ಯುಗದ ಮಾನವನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು? Which is the biggest problem of human beings in the current time? Hello? Hello? ಈ ಯುಗದ ಮಾನವನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು? No? Huh? Stress? Your good name? Visva. Visva is telling that stress is the biggest problem of the current time. From this row? Huh? Mobile phone. Sir is telling mobile phone. Actually, I have to thank sir because sir has been told that early morning he is entertaining all the young teaching staff. Okay, so we need that young people has to come up. Young people has to teach. Okay, young people has to give lectures. Okay, that is the need of the hour. Okay, which is the biggest problem of human being? ಈ ಯುಗದ ಮಾನವನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನು? Sir has been told mobile usage, unnecessary stress, comparison, mobile phone, overthinking. ಈ ಯುಗದ ಮಾನವನ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ನೋ ದೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೀನು ಅರಿಯೋ ಮಾನವ. That's what I have done. Knowing ourselves is the beginning of the wisdom. Knowing ourselves is the beginning of the wisdom. All the philosophers, what they did, they tried to understand how this universe has been created. That's what I told. सृष्टि से पहले क्या था? सत था या असत था? एक कह रहा है सत्य है और एक कह रहा है असत्य है और एक कह रहा है different people, different thoughts. Okay, so try to understand ourselves. Know thyself. Okay, know thyself. Okay, thank you. Any queries? I think it has been gone beyond you. Okay, thank you, Sarji, for giving me great opportunity for coming here, for calling me as a research person. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Any doubts? Thank you. No doubt? Yes, dear? Doubt? Okay, thank you.
Firstly, I thank you our today's resource person, Khalid sir, who inspired his busy schedule, accepted our invitation and has came here for this program. Your thoughts has truly inspired sir. Especially hardest things initiate in the life is hard work. Also, I heartily thank you our principal, Dr. Prahlad Gangavati sir and our dynamic T sir, Dr. Shivkumar Ganga sir for their great support. I also extend my thanks to all the faculty members and below students of the college. Last but not least, a big thank you to one and all present here who made this session a successful one. Now I request all for the photo session. Thank you everyone.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೆಟಾ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್
अरे लाईट चालू आहे. इकडे बा